What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding simplification of radical expressions. The first one is square root of 75 r to the power of 6 times s to the power of 8 divided by 48 r times s to the power of 4. So I start with the same first one. 75 is 25 times 3 and 25 is 5 squared. So it's going to be 3 times 5 squared divided by 48 is 3 times 16, which is 4 squared. Then we have r to the power of 6 divided by r is going to be r to the power of 5. S to the power of 8 divided by s to the power of 4 is going to be s to the power of 8 minus 4, which is 4. These 3 and 3 cancel out. It will be 5 over 4. Then it will be r to the power of 2, s to the power of 2 times square root of r. Why? Because r to the power of 5 is r to the power of 4 times r. R to the power, square root of r to the power of 4 is r squared. Square root of s to the power of 4 is s squared. And we have one remaining r, which will be square root of r. Next example. It will be square root of 27 p to the power of 2 q divided by 108 p to the power of 5 q to the power of 3. The answer is square root of 27 is 3 times 9 or 3 times 3 squared. 108 is 3 times 36, which is 6 squared. Square root of p to the power of 2 divided by p to the power of 5 will be p to the power of 2 minus 3 times q to the power of 1 divided by q to the power of 3 is going to be negative 2, which will be 3 and 3 cancel out. Square root of 3 squared divided by 6 squared times square root of p to the power of negative 1 q to the power of negative 2, which will be 3 over 6 square root of 1 over p q squared. Then we simplify it, 1 over 2 1 over q root p, because q squared is going to be q and that's the root p, or we can write it like that, 1 over 2q root p. That's the final answer. Next example, square root of 50 r to the power of 5 s to the power of 2 divided by 128 r to the power of 2 s to the power of 5. The answer is $50 is 2 times 25, which is 5 squared. 128 is 2 times 6 squared, because actually it's 2 times 8 squared, because 128 is 2 times 64, which is 8 squared. R to the power of 5 divided by r to the power of 2 is r to the power of 3. S to the power of 2 divided by s to the power of 5 is going to be s to the power of negative 3. Then 2 and 2 cancel out, 5 over 8. Then we will have square root of r to the power of 3 divided by s to the power of 3, or I can write 5 over 8 r over s root r root s. We can write it like that too. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.